There is no option to download multiple files from Google Drive app on iPhone. Let's see how to download multiple files from Google Drive. You must use Firefox browser on your iPhone to download multiple files. You need to log in with your email address in the browser. I already have my Gmail login in Firefox browser. Now go to drive.google.com. Click Request Desktop Site. Now you can download multiple files or a folder. Here you have to wait a few minutes. This time depends on the size of your file. You can save this file in any folder, but this time I am saving this file in Downloads folder.